Good afternoon. I'm Mayor Tim Baldermann. This is COVID video update number 8. I am pleased to announce that the Village of New Lenox, in partnership with New Lenox Township and the Township Highway Commissioner, are going to be participating in a free mask giveaway for anyone that pays taxes in New Lenox Township. We've been able to acquire some masks. So this Saturday, May 9th, from 8 a.m. until noon in the Village Commons, we will be handing out masks to anyone in New Lenox Township. That's anyone that's in the incorporated area or unincorporated area. We will have patrol out on Gear and Haven, making sure that vehicles can enter off of Veterans Parkway. So we ask that you come off of Haven and come down Veterans Parkway. We will be checking your ID to make sure that you live in New Lenox Township, so please have that ready. Everybody will stay in their vehicles, and we will direct you into 2 different lanes. We ask that you simply, on a piece of paper from home, write down how many masks you will need, something similar to this, so that way nobody has to get out of their vehicle. We can just hand the mask to you and then direct you out. So again, it's May 9th, Saturday, from 8 a.m. until noon. We ask that vehicles come onto Veterans Parkway off of Gear. We'll have traffic control there, and we will move through this very quickly. Have your ID ready to show you live in the township and your paper sign showing how many masks you need. We are looking to give to 1 per resident. So please, like everything else we've talked about, do not hoard these masks. Just come and take one for your needs. As far as the universal mask order that was put out by the governor, the village's position is this. The order states that if you are in a public area and can maintain social distance, you do not need to wear a mask. If you are in a public area and cannot maintain the 6-foot social distance, or if you are in any private business, you are required to wear a mask. The village is not enforcing individual mask wearing. What we have said to our businesses is very simple. If they are adopting that as policy per the governor's order, they have every right to tell customers that they must be wearing a mask in their store. Any customer that does not wear a mask, the business has the right to ask them to leave. If someone refuses to leave, the business can contact us here at the village at the police department, and then it will become a trespassing issue. Think of it like no shoes, no shirt, no service. Individual private businesses have the right to enforce those policies. Again, we will not be enforcing the individual wearing of masks, but we will be supporting our business owners if they're requiring that and you are not wearing one. Many of you have opinions on whether or not you should have to wear a mask. We're not getting into that political conversation, and certainly anyone that wants to challenge that has the right to do so in the courts. We are looking to protect our businesses. We are looking to protect the employees that are coming in contact with up to hundreds of people per day, and we're looking to protect all of our residents. We're not taking a political stand on this. We're simply supporting our business owners in their right to support this policy. As it pertains to the governor's orders, he has recently come out with a 5-phase plan for reopening Illinois. Many of you have contacted me with your concerns about the length of that plan and how long it would take to get to phase 3 and then phase 4 and ultimately phase 5. Having reviewed the plan myself, I too have concerns with it. Your health and welfare has always been and will continue to be number one, our top priority for us here at the village. We will be having a meeting in the next few days with mayors from local communities and infectious disease experts from our local hospital. We will be asking some of those questions that you have asked us. How can one business be open and it's safe and another business not be open? Again, we have tried not to be political on this issue. We have relied on medical information, not only at the national level, but from our experts right here at home that we count on to keep us safe should we become ill. That meeting will ask those questions, and I will bring that information back to the village board Monday night. And after our conversation, I will film another update for you as to our position and where we stand. We want to see these businesses reopen. We know people's livelihoods depend on it. If that's going to be the case, we want to make sure it's done in a safe manner that's based on medical science and not on political will. Again, we care not only about your health and welfare, but the employees that would be working in these businesses. We will do everything in our power to try and influence the governor to reopen Illinois at a pace that is safe and takes care of all of you. We will not make our decisions based on politics. Again, as I started at the top of this cast here, we have our free mask giveaway, one for every resident of New Lenox Township. That's this Saturday, May 9th, from 8 a.m. till noon in the New Lenox Commons. And we ask that you enter off of Haven Avenue onto Veterans Parkway, and that you bring your ID and that you bring your sign with the number of masks that you'll be requesting. As always, we base our information on facts. We try to be logical. We have to look at liability issues. There are a lot of things we have to consider as a municipality. We'll continue to do that. We'll continue to keep you updated. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.